Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Labanos Kimchi. First, gather your fresh Labanos, also known as daikon radish, along with other essential ingredients like garlic, ginger, and gochugaru. Next, wash and slice the Labanos into thin, uniform pieces, aiming for about 1/4 inch thick. Then, generously salt the sliced radish and let it sit for approximately 30 minutes. This crucial step helps draw out excess water, ensuring a crispier kimchi. Now, let's create that delicious kimchi paste. In a mixing bowl, combine your minced garlic, grated ginger, and a generous amount of gochugaru or Korean chili flakes. Next, add a sweetener such as sugar or corn syrup and a touch of fish sauce to enhance the umami flavor. Mix all these ingredients thoroughly until you achieve a vibrant, aromatic paste. This paste is the heart of your Labanos kimchi, providing its signature spicy and savory kick. After salting, rinse the Labanos thoroughly under cold water and pat it completely dry to remove any excess salt. Now, it's time for the fun part. Toss the prepared Labanos with your freshly made kimchi paste. Make sure every piece is evenly coated for consistent flavor. Once mixed, pack the kimchi tightly into an airtight container. Allow it to ferment at room temperature for 1 to 2 days. Then transfer it to the refrigerator for longer storage and continued flavor development. Once fermented, refrigerate your Labanos kimchi to slow down the fermentation process and maintain its optimal freshness. It can be stored for up to several weeks, becoming more flavorful over time. Serve this crisp and spicy kimchi as a delightful side dish with any meal, or use it as a flavorful topping for noodles or rice bowls. It's incredibly versatile. And hey, if you're looking for great deals on e-readers and more, check the description below for links and other fantastic offers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.